Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to kick someone from your private server on Roblox. Firstly, ensure you are the private server owner or you have admin permissions. Without these you won't be able to manage players. Now, while in the game, look for the admin panel, server commands or a similar setting option. Some games use in-game GUI menus while others require typing commands into chat. Go to the player management or similar option to view all currently connected players. Locate the player you want to remove, then click the kick option next to their name. Alternatively, in some games, use a chat command like /kick player name. Just note that not all Roblox games support private servers with kick options. It depends on the game's setup and admin scripts. Some games use third-party admin tools like HD admin, Coho admin, and Adonis admin, each with its own kick commands. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.